Crash Course on Italian Fashion, an examination of Italy's history of fashion design, including its impact on the fashion industry worldwide. Top 12 Popular Italian Fashion Masterpieces. Italian fashion has had a significant impact on the industry worldwide. From high-end luxury brands to fast fashion retailers, Italian designers have left their mark on fashion history. Let's take a closer look at the history of Italian fashion, some iconic designs, and the top 12 Italian fashion masterpieces. Italy's history of fashion design dates back centuries, but it was not until the post-World War II era that Italian fashion really took off. In the 1950s and 1960s, designers like Giorgio Armani, Valentino Garavani, and Emilio Pucci emerged as major players in the fashion industry. They were known for their luxurious fabrics, impeccable tailoring, and elegant designs. In the 1970s, a new wave of Italian designers came onto the scene, including Gianni Versace, Gianfranco Faè, and Franco Moschino. These designers were known for their bold, colorful designs and their willingness to experiment with unconventional materials. Throughout the 1980s and 1990s, Italian fashion continued to dominate the industry, with designers like Dolce & Gabbana, Prada, and Gucci becoming household names. These designers were known for their edgy, provocative designs and their ability to blend high fashion with streetwear. One of the most iconic designs in Italian fashion history is the little black dress by Coco Chanel, which was made famous by Audrey Hepburn in the film Breakfast at Tiffany's. While Chanel was not Italian, her design has had a significant impact on Italian fashion, and remains a timeless classic. Another iconic Italian fashion design is the Valentino Garavani Valentino red dress. This bold red dress is a symbol of Italian glamour and has been worn by countless celebrities, including Elizabeth Taylor, Julia Roberts, and Jennifer Lopez. The top 12 Italian fashion masterpieces are: 1. The little black dress by Coco Chanel. 2. The Valentino Garavani Valentino red dress. 3. The Prada nylon backpack. 4. The Gucci bamboo bag. 5. The Salvatore Ferragamo Vara pump. 6. The Missoni knit dress. 7. The Versace safety pin dress. 8. The Fendi Baguette Bag. 9. The Emilio Pucci printed silk scarf. 10. The Bottega Veneta knot clutch. 11. The Giuseppe Zanotti Harmony sandal. 12. The Moschino I'm a Luxury t-shirt. These iconic designs represent the best of Italian fashion, from high-end luxury to streetwear-inspired designs. Each piece is unique and has had a significant impact on the fashion industry worldwide. In summary, Italian fashion has a rich history and has had a significant impact on the industry worldwide. From the elegant designs of Valentino and Emilio Pucci to the bold, edgy designs of Versace and Moschino, Italian designers have left their mark on fashion history. The top 12 Italian fashion masterpieces represent the best of Italian fashion, and each piece has had a significant impact on the industry. And now, a poem to celebrate the beauty and glamour of Italian fashion. In Italy's streets, the fashion elite. A tapestry of style, a dazzling feat. From Armani's suits to Missoni's knits. Each designer's mark, a unique fit. The Valentino red, a symbol of glam. The Gucci bamboo, a bag of command. Ferragamo's Vara, a pump of class. And the Prada backpack, made to last. Versace's safety pin, a dress so bold. The Fendi Baguette, a bag to hold. Pucci's scarf, a print so bright. Bottega's knot, a clutch so tight. Zanotti's sandals, a shoe so fine. And Moschino's tee, a luxury sign. These Italian masterpieces are work of art. From high-end luxury to streetwear start. Italian fashion, a history so grand. A global impact, a style so grand. From Audrey's little black dress to Valentino's red. Italian fashion, forever ahead. Here is a song on Italian fashion masterpieces, in Pacing on the World. Verse 1. Walking down the streets of Italy. Fashion all around, it's hard to breathe. From Gucci's bamboo to Ferragamo's pumps. Italian fashion, it's a class that jumps. Chorus. Italian fashion, masterpieces of the world. From the little black dress to Missoni's swirls. A global impact, a style that's bold. Italian fashion, it never grows old. Verse 2. From Armani's suits to Versace's pins. Italian fashion, it's a statement that wins. With Pucci's scarves and Bottega's knots, it's impossible to resist the fashion onslaught. Chorus. Italian fashion, masterpieces of the world. From the little black dress to Missoni's swirls. A global impact, a style that's bold. Italian fashion, it never grows old. Ridge. From the streets of Milan to Rome's ancient walls. Italian fashion, it stands tall. With designers that push the boundaries. Italian fashion, it's a style that carries. Chorus. Italian fashion, masterpieces of the world. From the little black dress to Missoni's swirls. A global impact, a style that's bold. Italian fashion, it never grows old. Outro. From the runways of Milan to the world's biggest stage. Italian fashion, it never fades. With masterpieces that impact the world. Italian fashion, forever unfurled. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Italy has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to North America, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AD call 79893335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. And hug Metaverse team.